Hold key fob flat against silver circle for 5 seconds. Enter password and tap OK. Under Main menu, tap Close Poll. In the Poll Management menu, tap Close. Then re-enter password and tap OK. A confirmation screen will appear. Tap OK. After the first report prints, tear it off and have the team sign it and place it in the red results bag. Tap Yes to print the second report. After the second report prints, tap No. Tear it off and have the team sign it and tape it outside of the polling place. Tap the power icon in the upper right corner, then tap Shut Down. Unplug power cord and return to its compartment. Once machine has shut down, close the privacy flaps and lift supports to lower the screen. Locate the yellow seals on doors labeled CF1 and CF2. Break the seals and place them in your inspector folder. Remove both memory cards and place it in the red results bag. Close red results bag and secure with blue seal.